Welcome to our social sciences class. This is NSVP Purnima, your social sciences teacher. Welcome to lesson 6, waste management, part 2, video 2. Children, in the previous video, we discussed about biodegradable waste, non-biodegradable waste and recycling. Isn't it? Today, we are going to discuss about methods of reducing waste, disposing waste materials and some more points. So let us dive into the topic. First one is methods of reducing waste. Individual consumers can substantially reduce solid waste by following these basic principles. Reduce the amount. Reduce the amount of unnecessary packaging. Adopt practices that reduce waste toxicity. Reuse containers and products. Consider reusable products, children. Maintain and repair durable products. Reuse bags, containers and other items. Borrow, rent or share items used infrequently. Not frequently, children, infrequently. Sell or donate goods instead of throwing them out. So we must carry a cloth bag in place of plastic bag. Compost, biodegradable material. Use energy efficient light bulbs. And children, we must adopt the following slogan in our everyday life, children. See, children, first one is reduce, reuse, recycle, and fourth one is also there, children, that is rethink. Fourth one is rethink. These are the 4 R's we must follow in our daily life. These are the 4 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, rethink. Reduce, use less. Not useless, children, use less. Buy less. Avoid waste. Turn off lights. Take shorter showers. Carpool. Reuse. Use things more than once. Use cloth shopping bags. Repair. Gift. Try travel max. Compost. Recycle. Separate waste materials so that the recycled products can be transformed into something new. Understood, children? The next topic is disposing waste materials. Children, today most cities, towns, villages and countries face the challenge of having a proper system of collecting, separating reusable items and disposing of the waste. Disposing waste materials. Children, in earlier times, the population was limited and therefore the waste was very limited. It was thrown away in vacant spaces, away from homes, offices and factories. But now there are hardly any vacant places available due to increase in population and widespread construction. Hence, the amount of waste is increasing. It is proving to be a threat to the health of human beings, animals, plants, water bodies and air. There are different ways of disposing of waste. They are landfills, burning the trash. It is popular in Japan, children. Recycling and making the compost. But each method has some disadvantages. First one, the landfills require place. Once filled, new sites are required. The waste can be burnt but it pollutes the air and harms the surroundings. Isn't it, children? All methods of waste disposal are costly, and the governments have to spend huge amounts of money on waste disposal. Hence, we must reduce waste and recycle items from waste, children. All biodegradable items must be converted into compost. Understood, children? We must remove waste heaps. Each and every person must take care not to litter, spit, or urinate in open areas. People must be encouraged to construct toilets in rural areas. In urban areas, more toilets must be made. The government must make strict laws to maintain cleanliness in public places. Do you know, children? In Singapore, littering and spitting in public places is severely punished, children. People who dirty public places are fined, made to clean public roads or public places as a punishment, children. Next, children. See, this is landfills. Already we discussed in the previous slide. So I want to show you the pictures. This is landfills. This is burning the trash. Recycling, children. See this. Recycling is an important part of any community. Although it is common to use colored bins. See, children, colored bins, different colored bins, to differentiate between plastics, metals, cardboard and glass. Not all communities do so. In addition to being organized by color, each bin should have a label on it indicating the material to be put into it. The universally recognized symbol for recycling is, see, children, three arrows chasing each other, forming a triangular loop. This is the symbol of recycle, children. This symbol should accompany the label on recycle bins. By seeing this symbol, we may know that this is a recycle bin. So the next one is compost, children. Already we discussed about making compost. I want to show the pic of this. This is compost. Next one. Children, do you know India produces about 0.2 to 0.6 kg of garbage per head per day. In some areas, a van or a sweeper collects the garbage from homes, offices, etc. The dustbins at roadsides are also emptied into garbage trucks and taken to landfills. This type of dustbins will be kept at roadside, children. See, this is green colored dustbin known as biodegradable waste. This is kept for biodegradable waste. This is for non-biodegradable waste, children. A green bin is a large movable rigid plastic or metal container that contains biodegradable waste or compostable materials as a means to divert waste from landfills. The program's purpose is to reduce the amount of waste shipped to landfills by recycling biodegradable waste into compost. And children, it is our responsibility to protect our environment. Let us reduce the waste, live in harmony, cooperate with others, and follow our duties to maintain clean and beautiful surroundings. We should not litter on the road or in our neighborhood. Littering causes land, air and water pollution. Try planting trees and plants that will beautify our surroundings as well as keep us healthy. Greener surroundings look beautiful and also reduce pollution to keep us fit and healthy. And children, cleaning the environment reduces pollution, protects unique ecosystems, prevents the extinction of endangered species, and conserves resources such as water, land, and air. A clean environment ensures the protection of biodiversity and ecosystems upon which human life and all other life on earth depends. Understood, children? And I want to share you some points how to protect our environment, children. The environment is the surrounding where we live and survive. The environment comprises all the natural materials, living, non-living things. Initially, it is our responsibility to keep our environment clean and green. Everyone should know that environment offers enough to satisfy our needs. Also, everyone should use natural resources in a limited quantity. We need to avoid using some resources such as petroleum, natural gas, coal, etc. Instead of using exhaustible resources, we can use renewable resources such as wind, biomass and sunlight. Everyone needs to avoid using plastic products and bags. Instead of using these plastic materials, one can use natural products such as jute bags, cotton bags, etc. In such a way, everyone can keep our environment clean and green. Vehicle pollution is one of the hazards to our environment and nature. Everyone must give priority to a clean environment. Also, they need to plant more trees and spread awareness for the necessity of a clean and green environment. One of the best ways to keep our environment clean is by using recycled product materials. Clear, children? Next one, assignment. So, this is about our waste management lesson, children. I hope you understood well and whichever the point we discussed. And last I said about some point how to protect our environment, no? So, everyone should try to follow these points, at least some of the points. Okay, children? We'll see the assignment. First one, dash is easy to recycle. Second one, waste disposal is important to keep our surroundings dash. The 4 R's to reduce waste are reduce, reuse, recycle and dash. Recycling is beneficial for the dash. We must reduce dash. Thank you, children. We'll meet in the new video, the new lesson. Thank you.